Hey friends, if you wish to fix status access violation error on your browser in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, let us assume the browser is Chrome. So we'll search for Chrome and open it. Now, our first approach will be to disable any active extensions. Click on the three dots here, select extensions and manage extensions. Now, first start disabling the extension, and if it fixes your problem, then simply remove that extension. If this does not help, then the next stage will be to update the browser. Click on these three dots here, select help about Chrome and let it update to the latest version. If this does not help either, then go to reset settings, restore settings to the original defaults and reset settings. Now this should definitely help because we have absolutely reset the browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.